Traders, how are you? Welcome. I'm getting drum rolls. Traders, how are you? Welcome to the live stream. Good to see you all. Yeah, good. I was going to say good to be back, but I haven't gone anywhere. I'm losing my mind. How are you guys? Hope you're having a good trading day. As always, this is your opportunity to ask me as many questions as you like. Yeah, so don't be shy. Yeah, please ask as many questions as you like, guys. All right, anything to do with trading, anything to do with anything, any questions, in fact. Today, any questions you like. And also, guys, I'm not in a trade today. So I wasn't in a trade yesterday. I'm not in a trade yet, but I can see a trade potentially brewing, right? And I'm going to show you that as well, guys. Yeah, we'll also take a quick look at the economic calendar right now, because we do have some news, but this isn't till later anyway. So this won't really impact us during the live stream. But we do have some PMI coming out later. We did have some PMI earlier, and that was a bit of a mixed bag for euro and pound. So, you know, the euro was, you know, two were better than expected, one worse than expected, and this one we had, you know, a real mixed bag. Better than expected, worse than expected, it's kind of as expected. So yeah, we've had that PMI data earlier, but we've seen some real strength in the, you know, the euro at the moment. So we'll take a look at that. And like I say, guys, please ask me as many questions as you like. I'm rambling today. I don't know why I'm rambling. Let me have a drink. Let me sort myself out, and then we can begin. And guys, if you like the analysis, not so much my rambling, but if you end up liking the analysis, then please smash that like button. Yeah, just to support the channel. So I'm kind of almost interested in CAD yen. Now you can see this level here so this is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And if we look at the day chart, it's obvious why we're looking to buy it, right? This is the day chart, was in this range, and bang. We've broken the range, nice big bullish candle, room to move into, okay? If we drop down to the H1, because this is what I've been looking at, and it's just hasn't moved, right? This also has found itself in a range. Yeah, it's just been ranging between here and here, all right? Now, I was, yeah, past tense, get me grammar right, I was tempted to buy this H1 candle. Okay, I am, right? Because we're still with H1 structure. We're at the bottom of the range, okay? However, what I've decided to do is wait for the H4, all right? Now, if you look at the H4, it paints a slightly different picture. You know, perhaps there's some selling pressure here, and, you know, perhaps there is some room to the downside before we push higher. Okay, so I'm going to wait and see what this H4 candle does, and we've only got to wait for this hour. So in 56 minutes we will understand what to do with this trade. So right now I'm just staying out of it, and it's exactly the same with New Zealand yen. So if we zoom in here, so again, day chart, yeah, we're in this range. Okay, and we're going bang, 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 and we want to go bang. Yeah, all technical terms. We've had a nice big bullish candle that just about broke this high, and it makes sense. Well, not makes sense. There's a high probability that this trade will make it back up to this 92 level. Okay, and the same scenario, if we look at the H1, you know, this trade is not that appealing. You know, arguably had, you know, a breakdown in structure, right? There's a bit of a level through here, okay? But if we look at the H4, then, you know, again, not much has changed. We are still firmly in this uptrend, and this is where we are. You know, it's potentially a good H4 trade. So again, I'm going to wait for this H4 candle to finish. If it is bullish, right, even if it looks something like this, I will take this trade. All right, I will start buying here, potentially put my stop below here and look to take it back up to those highs. All right, guys, so that's what I say. There's like a trade brewing at the moment, to use a T analogy, because I'm English, we have to use T analogies. I think it's the first T analogy I've ever used, to be fair. But yeah, that's what I mean by it's brewing. So we'll keep an eye on these. And like I say, guys, any trade that I take, I will put in the VIP Trading Academy. And right now, it is free. Okay, so check it out. It's free right now. Just join one of our preferred brokers and we give you free access. So check it out. Right, let's see who is in the house. Mike, hi, how are you, Mike? Kim Chong, what are your thoughts on gold today? Okay, Kim, we'll take a look at that. Sub-drama, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, news direction analysis, please. I'll pick up on this point in a minute, but we'll look at US dollar, Canadian dollar. Heath Hayden, afternoon from the UK, best country in the world. I say that, I don't live there. Aya, hi Aya, how are you? Journey Forex, salam, assalamu alaikum. See, many languages on this channel. So let's start with gold. Kim was first, let's start with gold. And gold is having a bit of a, a drop, right? But if you look at the weekly chart, right, I'm going to do a top-down approach. We're still in an uptrend. Okay, we're in an uptrend, but this weekly candle was always a big indicator that we were going to get a retrace of sorts. Yeah, whether it retraces to here, here, or here, we don't know. But this candle suggests there were sellers at this level. All right, and this is what we're seeing now, sellers. Okay, if we drop down to the day chart now, I was almost interested in gold. All right, but I've put this level through here, and I put this through this morning actually. All right, because when you have something that trends like this, yeah, when something trends like that, it's difficult to find levels to trade from, right? So if you, let me just show you here, guys. If you have something that trends like super bullish, it's difficult to trade. If you have something that trends like this, it's easy to trade. Yeah, there's loads of levels. I can trade from here. I can trade from here, here, here. I can trade from here. So this is far easier to trade than this. Okay, but gold has been like that. But we do have a level through here. You can see price sort of held this level. And it's at the moving average 20. All right, and we're still in an uptrend. Okay, so it'd be really interesting to see what happens today. Okay, will we get a big wick? Right, let's say we get a candle that looks something like this. Yeah, big wick on it. Right, then potentially we're still interested in buys. Okay, but if we get a big bearish candle like this that breaks this level, then potentially we could trade the retrace. All right, but ultimately the higher time frame is an uptrend. So really, Kim, it depends on today's candle. What will it do? All right, so perhaps we can come back and revisit this in tomorrow's live stream. All right, but yeah, real pivotal level. And why is it so pivotal? Well, firstly, you've got the moving average 20, which is dynamic support in this situation. And you've got this support level through here. So this would really be a nice level to buy. So let's see how it finishes up at that level. So Kim, for me, no trade at the moment. We'll see what today's candle does. All right. What else are we looking at? Sub-drama. So sub-drama, we're going to analyze US dollar, Canadian dollar, and also PMI news direction analysis, please. So nobody knows. So when it comes to news analysis, there's no such thing, right? Bear with me. Okay, so if I know, we look at the economic calendar, right, and we know we've got US dollar PMI data coming out later, okay? And these new home sales. And if someone says, can you analyze what's going to happen with the PMI later? My analysis would be flip a coin and heads we go long, tails we go buy. We go short. We just don't know, guys. There is no such thing as predicting the news and the reaction. Yeah, nobody knows. Maybe a handful of people in the world, but then that would be inside trading. But nobody knows. So do not analyze data, news that hasn't happened. Yeah, it's the most futile thing you'll ever do. All right, so we have no idea. Let the news play out and then we take the trade. Yeah, if we get a setup. All right, so remember that sub-drama. Yeah, nobody knows that. Yeah. US dollar, Canadian dollar, however, we can take a look at that. And again, right, we're looking for, let's start with the weekly chart, right? So let's do this one together. So also Greg wants to look at US dollar, Canadian dollar. Afternoon scalps, say it with Stone, I know. By the way, I'm sorry for Liverpool, not really. Okay. People are not very nice about Liverpool at the moment. And IU, Euro, Aussie dollar. Right, let's do US dollar, Canadian dollar. We've got a couple of people interested in that. And we're going to do a top-down approach all the way down to the H1 time frame. Okay, let's all get involved. Let's all play along. So, weekly chart. This is how I will analyze the chart and decide if I have a trade or not. Right, everyone, weekly chart on US dollar, Canadian dollar. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? All right, just a weekly chart, the chart on the screens right now. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? Please leave your comment in the live chat right now. I'm going to have a drink while you do that and also say hello to people. Hello, Carlos. How are you, mate? KJ, Miami, from Miami. Welcome to Miami, in the words of Will Smith. And we must be nice about Liverpool on this channel. The editor is also a Liverpool fan, and we're quite delicate at the moment, so please be nice. Okay, so Aya, stay out. Shine Yoga, stay out. Travis, sell. Mike, sell. KJ, sell. Right, anyone else? I like this, guys, because I like to get everyone's ideas and everyone's views. You are what makes up the market. Yeah, you are important. Yeah, stay out, sell, sell. Okay, Johnny Forex, stay out. Coprod, sell. Scott Nisbet, sell. Happy days, Coprod. Carlos, stay out. Right, so we have got sells or stay out. Nobody is buying this market. Okay, so I can understand why, right? But please bear in mind this, guys, right? This is ugly price action between here and here, but we are in an uptrend. Higher lows, higher highs. Right? We are clearly in an uptrend, and nobody said buy, right? Because we have got a very bearish weekly candle. So I understand why, and it's bouncing off, okay, a weekly level. Okay, we could even draw this grey zone down a little bit to include that, because it has become a level now. So for me, for those reasons, we're in an uptrend, but we have a very bearish candle. Because of that conflict, I would stay out of this market. Okay, I would stay out of this market for those reasons. There's conflict. Now, let's move down to the day chart and do the same thing. Okay, so if we look at the day chart now, everyone, right? Again, day chart, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Would you buy, sell, or stay out? So everyone, please give me your answers right now. I feel like a game show host. I should have a sexy assistant. I've got the editor. He's, you know, reasonably sexy, I guess. Just while you answer, guys, I will laugh at my own jokes, all right? Thank you, editor. Right, Greg would sell. Heath would sell. Shine Yoga, stay out. Scott Nisbet, stay out. Offman, buy. Aya would stay out. Carlos would stay out. Okay. Anyone else? Coprod would sell. Subdrama would buy. Okay. So KJ, buy if it hits support, sell if it breaks it. Yeah, so okay, and Travis would stay out. So I agree with KJ, but we're analyzing the market as it is right now. Okay, and as it is right now, if we look at the day chart, right, just follow structure, we are in an uptrend. Okay, we're getting higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Okay, we're firmly above the moving average 20, right? But again, this is the thing with US dollar, Canadian dollar. We're clearly in an uptrend, but look at this selling pressure. Yeah, I do not want to buy that candle. And remember, guys, I'm an intraday trader. I'm looking for trades today. And if I see this candle form yesterday, I want to buy the market because we're in an uptrend, but we have a super bearish candle. Now, for that reason, I'm just not interested. I will stay out of the market. All right. So weekly and daily for me, for those reasons, are stay out. Yeah. What KJ was saying was this, right? If price breaks up, comes back down to this level here, this support, maybe the moving average 20, and we get a bullish reaction, then yes, I will be all over this like I would if I was on a date with Gal Gadot. Okay, I'd be all over it to take price back up to here. Okay, but we're not there. The market is here right now, and it's a stay out from me. Okay, so I would stay out of the market. But let's carry this on. Let's drop down to the H4 now. Okay, and yeah, there's a level through here. Clearly a level through there, right? There was a level up the top here as well. Okay, now US dollar, Canadian dollar, right? H4 chart. What would you do, guys? Right? Buy, sell, or stay out of the market. So everyone, please let me know right now. So Greg would sell, I would sell, Mike would stay out, Shine Yoga would stay out. Journey Forex would sell. KJ would sell. AS Vlogs, we can look at Euro US dollar in a minute. We're just analyzing US dollar, Canadian dollar. Travis Hawkins would stay out. Okay. All right. Any more? So right now, yeah, we're in a downtrend, right? Again, you don't need to be Warren Buffett, yeah, to know this, right? This is what I'm seeing, guys. This is where we're at. We're getting lower highs, lower lows, and we've got room to move into. This 3650 would be a nice target. Okay. Now, again, if I zoom in, that is quite a bullish H4 candle. That would suggest to me that we can take price up a little bit further before we come down. Right? That's what that's suggesting to me. However, let's see what this next H4 candle does, because I want to sell this. If I'm looking at this H4 and I only traded the H4, I would want to sell this. Yeah. But we've got a bullish H4 candle. So I would probably wait for price to come up to this gray zone. Yeah, maybe the moving average 20 comes down, and then I'd start selling. All right. Or we just get a great big bearish candle right now, yeah, like this, and also we can start selling. But I'd still need to hide my stop above here. Selling from here, this is your target. You get roughly 1:1. All right, so yeah, I would say H4 is a sell, but I would need to see what the next H4 candle does, right? Because of this candle. Okay, and then the final one, guys, let's take a look at the H1 and finish this top-down approach. Okay, here we go, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let me zoom out a little bit. Right, what would you do? H1, US dollar, Canadian dollar, would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? Let me know, guys. Please leave your comment in the live chat. If you've just joined, guys, and you want to play along, what would you do with US dollar, Canadian dollar on the H1 chart? Would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? These are your only three options. Right, Greg would sell. Heath would sell just at resistance above. Okay, so probably in here. Mike would sell. Carlos would stay out. Sorry, get my teeth in. Yeah, Coprod would probably stay out. Travis, stay out. Offman would stay out. Wait for break to sell. Good. Aya would stay out. Scott, stay out. Shine, stay out. KJ, sell. All right. So, again, nobody's buying this, right? But it's a sell or a stay out. Now, for me, we have had a H1 structure break, right? So let me explain what I mean. If you follow H1 structure, we have come to here, right? And then we've broken this level through here. This candle broke it, if not, definitely this candle. So we have got higher highs. These lows held, and the market made higher highs here. Now, I am not interested in selling that. Just not. Okay? Remember, this is just the H1 chart. So, not interested in selling because of these breaks. So, what would I be interested in doing? I would want to see this happen. You can clearly see that this is proven to be a good level of support. Now, for me to trade the H1, I would need to see, let's say this candle finishes there, and then the next candle does this, right? Then I'm interested. We get a break of this level, we're below the moving average 20, right? But if we get a break of this level, that is a continuation of the H, or that is a structure break to the downside. So that the H1 at this point here becomes a downtrend. And I would be interested in selling at that point and only at that point. All right. So, yeah, this is where we are right now. So it's a stay out. Looking at the charts, I mean, if I had to look at the H4, I would say you could, so if I had to trade it, guys, right, I don't have to trade it and I would stay out of this market. But if I had to trade it and I saw a daily candle like this, right, plus H4 in a downtrend, right, I would look to sell it from in here. and I would aim back down to this low here. Or I would wait for a break of these lows, as we just explained, and then I'd sell it down to here, put my stop above there. All right, so yeah, if I had to trade it, that's how I would trade it. All right, but that's a top-down approach, guys. Yeah, and I suggest everyone does the same, and also just keep it that binary, right? Just, would I buy this market? Yes or no. Would I sell this market? Yes or no. Okay, we'll take a look at CAD in a minute. My alarm makes crazy noises at the moment. Would I sell the market? Yes or no. And if both of them are no, then it's automatically stay out of the market, right? Makes sense. So just keep it binary, look at the different time frames, ask yourself, would I buy it, would I sell it, or would I stay out? And keep it that simple, guys. Right, what else are we looking at? We did have some more questions up here. So a couple of people were looking at Euro US dollar and also Euro Aussie dollar. So we'll do Euro US dollar, and then Aya will look at Euro Aussie dollar as well. Now, before I look at Euro US dollar, guys, if I could please ask everyone to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, if you're enjoying this analysis, enjoy my live streams, my analysis vid every day, then please come and join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now, smash the notification button, and if everyone could please smash the like button. If you could do that right now, guys, I'm going to have a quick drink. Very parched today. So the talking. I like talking, but I do a lot. Secondly, guys, if you haven't joined our trading community, then please join it. Yeah, we got like-minded traders sharing knowledge, ideas, experiences. So come join our free Discord channel. It's free. You just create a username and we let you in. All right. Those of you who would like access to all of my trade signals, my entries, my take profits, my stop losses, you would like access to all of my tutorials, and you would like direct access to me, then please come join the VIP Trading Academy, which we are giving away for free if you join one of our preferred brokers. All right, so check that out, guys. And finally, if you would like to just show your support for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many perks for doing so. All right. Right, I'm going to get rid of some of this. I need to do spring cleaning. Sometimes you need to spring clean your charts. These levels are wrong. I'd keep that level in. But let's do a top-down approach on Euro US dollar. So weekly chart, right? If I just pull this across as well, we clearly want to sell, right? We're just waiting for the right time to sell Euro US dollar. Simple as that. We are firmly in a downtrend, and there's room to move into. All right, this is an old target, okay, but it's still valid. That would be my target. Okay, now if we drop down to the day chart, we are pinging off a high, a daily high. Again, let's just understand structure, and this is where we're at. All right, so we're in a downtrend, but potentially we found ourselves in a bit of a range between here and here. Now, if you're in a downtrend stroke range, then obviously we want to trade from the top of the range back down to the bottom of the range. Yeah, makes sense to do that. All right, and that's exactly what I want to do. Now, so for those reasons, I'm looking to sell at this level, right? But obviously, I need to see a reaction at this level. Now, if we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, you can see I'm going to put this level in. It's like part of the gray zone, but it's still a level, right? And it's been holding. I'm also going to drop down and I just dropped down a little bit to take into account that high and this high. So clearly, not only is this a daily level, but it's a H4 level as well, right? And you can see the market has just been ranging, really. Yeah, not much movement either way. So I am interested in selling euro US dollar from here back down to these lows, if not further. All right, that would be my trade. But I need a setup, and there is no setup at the moment. Yeah, so you know, yeah, there's no setup at the moment. I'm just saying, you know, look at H4 trend. It's difficult to decipher really, all right, because there's a lot of indecision in here. But I'm interested in selling from this level. Okay, if we drop down to the H1 now, what are we looking for? We are looking for a break of structure, and the market has just given us a very clear level to trade from, right? Again, follow structure. Yeah, get a magic pen. This is not that magic, and that wasn't a euphemism, right? Get a magic pen where you can draw on the charts, because what it will do, it will visually make things easier for you. Because right now it's difficult for you, you know, if you're just looking at this chart, you're like, is it an uptrend, downtrend? You need to really understand where the highs and the lows are, and the pen helps you do that so you can trade, right? So if you look at this right now, okay, I'm even with a pen, it's quite difficult here. Is this a last low? Probably so. Okay, so let's do it, right? Bang, bang, bang. This is where we're at, right? So we're in an uptrend. We're getting higher lows, higher highs. And it just helps you visualize the trend, the structure of the market. Now, as I said, I'm interested in selling from this level. So all I will do is wait for a breakdown in H1 structure, right? So if price comes up here, maybe it does this, maybe it does that, and then it does that and it breaks this level, yeah, I am interested in selling. I will start selling here, put my stop above the swing high, look to take it back down to these lows here. All right, as simple as that, guys. In fact, I'm going to put an alarm in right there. All right, so if that does happen, I'm ready to pounce like a coiled cobra, or like Steven Seagal and Chuck Norris combined. So yeah, that's what I'll look to do, guys. All right, so euro US dollar, we're looking for sells, need the market to tell us when to do that. And right now, it's this level. But also worth pointing out here, guys, is this level could change, right? So it's the level right now as we speak. But let's say the market does this, right? Let's say it does this. Okay, right? Then the level becomes this level, right? And then I'll be interested in a break of that level. Okay, so it depends how H1 structure plays out. But right now, this is the low, but price could quite easily look like this. All right, so that's euro US dollar. I would sell it. Do I look for divergence? No, I don't, KJ. I know a few guys on the VIP look for divergence, and there's nothing wrong with that. You know, maybe use an indicator to tell you this or whatever. I don't. Yeah, I'm waiting for structure breakdown. There's no better indicator than that. If structure is breaking down, that is the market telling you that it wants to go lower or higher. I don't need divergence to tell me that. All right. Right, what else are we looking at? There was another bit, yeah, Euro Aussie dollar for Aya. Aya, how could I forget? Let's have a look at Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, here we go. So again, let's do this one together. KJ said, I like your hedges. So again, guys, if you want endless tutorials on hedging, then please come join the VIP Trading Academy. And we are giving that away for free right now if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers. Okay, and we've partnered up with brokers around the globe so we can offer all of our traders you know, a highly respected broker from their area. So please, guys, come check it out. We'll give you free access to the VIP Trading Academy. And as I said, that's where I put all my info on hedging. Right, Euro Aussie dollar. I think we should do another one together. Let's do one together as one big happy family, right? Okay, so you know the name of the game by now, right? Euro Aussie dollar weekly chart. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? So everyone right now, guys, leave your answers in the live chat. Buy, sell, or stay out. Euro Aussie dollar weekly chart. Only the weekly chart, guys. Yeah, leave your comment in the live chat now. I'll have another drink. Right, Mike would stay out. KJ, buy. Skelt, stay out. Shine Yoga, stay out. I like the sound of Shine Yoga. I probably need a bit of that in my life. I do stretches in the morning, but I wouldn't really call it yoga. But stretching is so important. Because I'm 22 now, because I'm an old git now, I need to stretch. Right, stay out, stay out. 14 weeks of ranging. Yeah, I hear you, Travis. Yeah, look at that. Look at this mess. Yeah. Scouts. I'm in no man's land on the weekly. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess. I stay out. Do you meditate, Tom? I do. Again, I wouldn't call it meditation, but I do take just a bit of quiet time. Where, in the words of Mickey Flanagan, I do proper FA. Yeah, I just sort of lay there and stare at the ceiling, right? I don't think about much. So maybe it is meditation. Just sort of sit, you know, switch off from trading, switch off from everything, you know, not every day, but if I'm having one of them days where, you know, it's quite hectic or the markets have been difficult, then yeah, I will take 10, 15 minutes and do proper FA. Those of you who know what FA means know what I mean. Okay, jujitsu equals forced yoga. Right, okay. Right, okay. Let's go back to trading. But yeah, meditate, guys. Come away from the screen. There's a little bit of advice, yeah. If you feel like the charts are becoming difficult, then step away. Trading, I'm going to say it, isn't or shouldn't be difficult. It should be very slow, boring, and dull, just like the editor's personality. Can I get a draw? Sorry, editor, I'm only joking. Very excellent personality, right? But it should be. If you're like in the thick of trade, you're like, oh no, I don't know what to do with this one. I've bought that one. I'm selling this one. You're in a bad place. Yeah, you don't want to be like that, guys. Slow, dull, boring. But even then, trading can still get on top of you. And yeah, just get away from the screen and go and do proper FA. Right, back to this chart. I agree with everyone. It's a bloody mess. Yeah, that's a technical term. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Right? It's just a mess. Like Travis said, it's just been like 14. Is it week? These are weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, yeah, 14 weeks of just, you know, ranging and not nice ranging, like breaking out of the range. On the day chart, that would be a breakout. Yeah, look at this. That would catch you out. That would have caught you out. Yeah, a scruffy range, right? Yeah, zero structure, Hasib, exactly. So, and even if it was in a, you know, well, not even if it is in a range, but this weekly candle has in 1 week come from the bottom to the top and reacted at the top. So again, that makes it difficult to read, right? So I would just stay out of this. I really would. And another thing worth pointing out is that this is in, this is the last high there. This is in an uptrend stroke range. So if anything, I would look for buys from the bottom. Okay, but this is just stay out. One big stay out, one big bloody mess. Now, let's go to the day chart, right? Okay, so guys, same question. Euro, Aussie dollar. Yeah, everyone get involved, play along. Euro, Aussie dollar day chart. 3 options. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? Please leave your comment in the live chat right now. Let's take a look. Okay, KJ would buy, Mike would stay out, Hasib would stay out. Offman would stay out, Shine Yoga would stay out, Skelts would stay out. Anyone else? Please come and give it a go. Don't be shy. There's no such thing as a wrong answer, guys. You're learning. That's the important thing. It's in an uptrend, but not buying a bearish candle. Yeah. Okay. So again, everyone's staying out, right? So if we look at this, right, the trend is not super clear, right? So this is clear to me. Okay. So uptrend, right? That's one school of thought. When these highs here got broken, it became an uptrend. Yeah. So we're getting higher highs, okay, potentially higher lows. Now, I would agree with that trend. Yeah, just to keep it simple, let's just start it here. Yeah, we're in potentially an uptrend, right? However, look at this little sneaky sausage here, right? We could, some people may be looking at this and seeing this, yeah, a break of these lows here, yeah, and therefore it's a downtrend. Yeah, this low here, this candle has broken those lows. So straight away, it's difficult to identify trend or there's some ambiguity with regards to trend. Ambiguity, word of the day. So again, I would just stay out of the market. I'm not interested. And it's worth, like if I see this, I immediately go to a different currency pair, right? So this is what I do every morning, guys, right? I go down to I'm looking down the charts, right? CAD yen, okay, yeah, okay, uptrend with broken structure. I think this could be a good trade to the upside. Okay, this will go on my list, which it did today, funnily enough. Yeah, JPY yen, I put that on my trading list and I share it with you in the morning analysis vid, right? I go down Swiss franc yen, I get to Euro Aussie dollar, I look at the day chart and I'm like, is that an uptrend or is it a downtrend? Just confusion, don't like it. Next one, Euro CAD. Yeah, don't waste your time on looking at charts that are super difficult. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, just trade the charts that are crystal clear. This chart is telling me to buy. This chart is telling me to sell. All right, don't waste your time on Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, it'll just confuse you. All right, guys. And on that note, I want to thank everyone. Yeah, so guys, thank you for joining me for the live stream. Please subscribe if you haven't already and smash that like button. Don't forget to join our trading community, the free Discord. And thank you once again for joining me. Thanks for all of your questions, guys. We can't do it without you. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you soon.